Simple and ready to go, our team can help you set up a Biohaven Island.
I'm Professor Ricky Spencer, the co-creator of 1 Million Turtles. Our Biohaven Islands are the result of years of science and innovation. We've created a thriving ecosystem that provides habitat for native turtles, waterbirds and other aquatic life. By restoring wetlands with Biohaven floating islands, we improve water quality, biodiversity and ecosystem resilience. This isn't just theory, it's proven conservation in action.
Our Biohavens and citizen science tools, like TurtleSat, can quantify your impact. Through webcam footage, your community can get to know local wildlife. Turtles and waterbirds alike love the safety that the islands provide, making it a multi-species biohaven. By providing a safe nesting habitat for even just one turtle, we can save multiple generations into the future.
At 1 Million Turtles, we don't just restore wetlands, we build community-driven conservation movements. Our floating islands, interactive signage and citizen science tools like TurtleSat turn everyday people into wildlife guardians. Schools, community groups and councils all play a role in monitoring and protecting turtles, as well as our wetland habitats and our waterbirds. And our Eureka Prize-winning approach proves this works. When you invest in our islands, you're not just funding conservation, you're empowering communities to actually lead it. Let's scale this nature-based innovation together.